Want to grow unlimited tomatoes at home for free every year? In the next 3 minutes, I'll show you exactly how, step by step, even if you have zero experience. Let's go. And strep dem over Maywind. Choose a healthy, fully ripe tomato. Any variety works, but cherry tomatoes are easiest for beginners. Step 2. Slice the tomato in half and gently squeeze the seeds and gel into a small jar or cup.
Add a little water, cover loosely, and let it sit for 3 to 4 days at room temperature. This removes the gel coating and prevents disease. This is good! Step 4. After 4 days, fill the cup with water, stir, and the good seeds will sink. Pour off the bad ones and mold. Step 5. Fill a pot with good potting soil, sprinkle your dried seeds on top, and cover with just 1/4 inch of soil. Water gently. Keep soil moist and in sunlight. In 7 to 10 days, you'll have baby tomato plants. Once they have 2 to 3 true leaves, transplant them into bigger pots or garden. Transplant into a sunny spot, add a stake or cage for support, water regularly, and in 60 to 80 days, you'll have your first tomatoes. And here's the best part. Every tomato you grow gives you hundreds of seeds for next year. That means unlimited tomatoes for
From
free
one single
forever.
tomato, I now have dozens of plants and hundreds of tomatoes every season, all started from seeds I saved myself.
That's how you grow unlimited tomatoes at home. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe to Home and Garden Lab for more gardening tips, and comment tomato below if you're going to try this.